Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you through the process of changing the country in your Amazon Prime Video account. Let's get started. Before we dive in, it's essential to note that while Amazon Prime is available globally, not all regions have the same content. Also, some countries may not be interchangeable. For example, you can't change your Amazon Prime Video subscription in Japan to one in Canada. In such cases, you'll need separate subscriptions for different regions. To change your country, go to your account profile name. Click on Account and Settings. Once in the account settings, find and click Edit on Amazon. On the subsequent page, you'll find numerous options. Click Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over Content and Devices. From the drop-down, select Preferences. Now, look for the option to change your country/region settings or country origin. Click on it. A pop-up window will appear with your current information and the option to change your country. Fill the address, passcode, phone. Then click on Update. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to change the country in your Amazon Prime Video account. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more Amazon Prime tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.